Try to cut
Summers
the...
here.
Okay, how big is Summers?
Oh.
Those niggas,
3D8, 3D8, 3D8.
Okay. Are they
Who
clap?
I think
Still
Iam
checking,
calling.
still checking, still checking.
Iam or Zenjetsu.
Probably Loro. Or probably Lofo.
Oh.
VM live ping. Live on the Southwest. Everybody get ready, hold
Station
Southwest.
is inside.
Okay, how about Summers?
Brawl, what's your station, Brawl?
How about Summers? What are they
Summers
doing?
is, I think, they're getting inside castle. Think they're gonna fight dismounted?
Yeah, listen, zone one by one. D-Blob and go Southwest, okay? D-Blob and go Southwest.
They're on the southeast side.
Okay.
Might be clap Brawl, Summers,
PDB.
and
Done
full
and
Brawl
spread.
resist station.
Healer PTB guys.
They're fighting now.
Castles is not the notable.
Yeah,
Everybody is done. Are they inside fighting already?
Yeah, they're fighting
yeah,
inside.
they're fighting now.
Comes outside of Castle. Comes at east side.
Backline Summers. Southeast.
You guys regroup with me as fast as you can, okay?
Gate broken, southeast.
We handle with Summers?
No, we fight everyone.
Okay.
Dismount on me. Yeah, food check OC. Yeah, hold it first. Do not step up first. Tanks, get ready to CC them, okay? Make sure they do not kite out,
Should I pick?
Yeah, kill the guard chief first. Okay, get ready. Kill the guard chief. Tanks, get ready to CC the north side, okay? Summers is going to try to push us. Ready, hold, okay? Hold on. Wait, hold here. Kill this guy. Kill 9 here. Hold on. Wait.
7D na sila, 7D.
Oh yeah, come west side. West side shallow, west side. Oh, I'm faking only. Fake only. Hold. Mark on the clear count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Oh, come back east side. Come back east side first. Okay. Enemies full brawl. Kill the guards here. Oh, they're stepping out. Kill the guards. Everyone take defensive. Kill the guards. The Lord. Focus on the Lord.
Tokontol.
I know. It's not a control. Yeah, it's fine. Let Summers balk.
Bonking.
Listen. Do not let Summers in, okay? Okay? CCM, okay? Yo, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside.
Yo, I need tank here.
I need tanks on the...
Ready,
east, okay?
inertia, night armor.
Careful, CJ.
Pil up. Yo, flip castle. Do not let him in. Hold him.
Yo,
See?
heal.
Hold them. Heal up front line. We play
Baka-
defensive.
baka-
Oh, they're backing out.
Mabalik na sila, Mugi. Andyan na
Yo,
sila.
Malka, get ready. North side shallow. Get ready. They're looking, ah. Malka, get ready. Give me fake. Wait. Hold on. Hold on. Step up. They're gonna turn. Push on. Malka, get ready. Deep north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep north on me. Come back. Kill up. Okay. Yo, listen. Kill this tanks inside. Where's the rescue station? Yo, come outside here. Listen. Tanks, watch the front line, okay? Come outside. Can I get info where
They engage.
Yeah, I feel like they're playing clap kite, okay? Tokontol is main caller. They have a hodge, they have a permanent everything, okay?
They just
And I
engage.
don't...
Or
Careful.
second party engage.
They have
Yeah.
reset. They have CD comp.
Yeah, they have
Sa loob na yung nasa south na, nabonk na
Fake.
nila.
Fake.
Yeah, it's fine.
They're walking east side.
Hila front line. Yeah, listen. Listen, get
1%.
ready, okay?
Broken.
Yeah, listen, only
Iba na pa
second
sila.
party. Step up with me.
Trapping north.
Second party only.
Resist
On me.
station
5,
southeast.
4, 3, 2, 1. Second party only. Come back first. They're gonna turn here. Ready your potion. Wait. Come back southwest more. He's gonna turn. Ready defenses, okay? Malika, get ready shallow. 5 on the tank inside. 4, 3, 2, 1. Tanks inside shallow. Come back southwest. Hilap.
Umalis sila, Mugi.
They're going
Hilap.
They're upping northwest.
Just
They're
come back to me.
Going to the other gate.
I know. Hilap.
Iniwan ko
someone-
ng south ma.
Spread. Careful. They engage in shallow. Heal up. Do not die. Nice one, Alpa. Yo, listen, get ready. Second party only, okay? Wait. Second party, very shallow west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second party, very shallow west side, okay? Come back. They're gonna turn on the gate, okay? Get ready to headbutt on the gate.
They're gonna pull.
Get ready to headbutt on the gate. Come back, tanks. Come back. Asking, you're gonna die there, manigo. They're looking on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Come back.
Yo,
Come back,
silence
come back.
this.
Yung balista. Paano ng balista?
Hilap frontline. Can we cleanse frontline fast? Spread on the southeast side. You're ready to help my shaper, okay? Pakamak, spread.
80% gate, 80%.
Hilap. Ready, defend. Nice heal nod, okay? Come back. Asking, careful. Tanks, careful. Gangpyo, careful.
Careful, they're gonna
Fake.
pull guys.
Fake.
What?
W engage, careful.
Spread more southeast side, careful. They're gonna perma engage on the... They can engage over the wall, okay?
71%.
Careful,
They're gonna
ready,
engage,
careful.
control engage.
Monica, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side on me. Yo, heal my shaper. Come back southeast. Spread south side. Listen, gate's about to break, okay? 53% on the gate. Get ready to CC them, okay?
50.
Yeah, listen, we do fake engages, okay? Second party first, then
48
we
engage.
engage, full
40,
engage
40,
with party 1, okay? So just wait. Later when they push in, we fake with second party engage, right? I will clump it, okay? Crackback, you save your clump, okay? Everyone spread first, southeast, okay? Careful.
Fake. Toronto's in B votes, ha? If in B,
Perpa. I think
engage.
they might.
If the fucking skull disappears, somebody heal Chrono.
Oh, pahil.
No, Chrono, huwag mo naman sana take damage lang dyan ng parang walang nangyari.
Careful. Toronto low.
43.
Oh, whoa, what's with that, 100 kin?
Gonna engage. Defend.
Seal up. Yo, second party on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second party on me. Wait. Yo, Marlica, get ready. Shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Come back fast. They're gonna engage here, okay? Careful. Come back fast. Yeah, listen, gate's about to break 31%. Heal
Engage.
CJ in the front line. Good. Come back. Just heal up. Yo, 1 tank, 1 heavy mace. Watch that, that ballista to just always Q on him so that my chariot does not get low HP. Yo, careful. Listen, you're too
17%.
close on the gate. Why are you guys closing up on the gate like that, man?
15%, 50%.
Can you guys spread on the east side more, southeast side?
Ready
You guys are
na
gonna
siya,
die
ready
over
na
the wall.
siya.
See? You guys are clumping here earlier. Letting engage here now. You see? Why you guys
Ready na
like
siya,
fucking?
ready.
Why you guys face checking them?
DCDing. 10% gate. Ready inertia on the gate. Knight armors on the gate.
Spread southeast. Ready defenses. They're gonna engage shallow on the tanks, They're gonna engage shallow on the tanks. Not yet. They're gonna engage shallow on the tanks. Spread southeast more. Pull them inside. They walk in, you spread, okay? You spread, walk in them. Don't pussy out.
3%. 3%. Ready.
Listen, he's gonna pull
Careful the
tanks,
hodge. Careful.
Yo,
Engage.
careful. He's gonna pull engage. He's pulling my someone. Careful, Marco, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side, shallow. Come back fast.
Careful, they
Hila,
might engage.
pon. Uy. Yo, cleanse nyo si Olpa. Pag ano. Careful.
Engage.
Engaging.
They miss.
Nice
Good. Spread southeast side. Yo, listen. Spread more behind me, guys. Do not let them engage shallow on the choke.
Reset
Let them engage past the choke, okay? Let them engage past the choke, not shallow on the choke. Past the choke, boys. Just ready to heal and node on the choke, okay? They're stepping up. They're looking. Careful on Yagami. He's gonna look. Defend
They
shallow.
engage,
Heal up.
they engage.
Heal up front line. Heal up front line. Yeah, listen, I'm faking only, okay? Tanks inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tanks inside. Tanks inside. Tanks inside. Tanks inside. Tanks inside. Southeast. Come back
Patay
southeast.
yung ano.
Come back southeast.
patay,
Careful,
hold.
careful, careful, careful. Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up. Okay, good. Hold on. Careful, careful.
Total dying.
Wait. They have engage soon. They gonna have engage soon. Chill. They have cooldown. They have cooldown engage. Careful.
Ang dami nilang cleanse.
Just let the shaper farm them if we
In
can
B, in B,
kill
in
them.
B.
Hold on. I'm faking only. Hold on. Wait. Look at water drip inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On water drip. Come back fast. Come back fast. Yo, come back fast. Spread southeast. Need
Gonna
one
hold
on.
Total.
Careful. Spread
Nice
southeast
one.
further. Spread further. You don't need to close up on them. They're looking. They're gonna look soon. Help asking. They're gonna engage asking shallow. Heal up asking.
Thank you.
Yo, what's with the 100 kin? The random shit. It's so late. Like it's so late. The 100 kin. Enemies done engaging. You 100 kin them. Like why?
Careful, shallow, careful.
You get
They're
ready to
looking
push
here,
on. Get ready to
They're
push
looking
on.
east side.
Monica, push on.
Engage.
Northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Now spread southeast side. Spread southeast and heal up. Heal up only.
Yung careful tanks. So di tank
You
yun.
can
They have
spread
engage.
southeast. They're gonna step up. Careful. Nice
Engage
CC. Heal up my front line. They miss. They're resetting their cooldowns, okay? Can we CC them? Can I get an offensive GA? Now. West side, get ready. Wait, hold on. Come back. Okay, never mind. They're gonna have engage soon. Come back. They're gonna look, okay? Yo, he's gonna kidnap. No, Baki. Malika, get ready. Wait, hold on. Malika, ready, defend. Wait, fake.
It's real.
Main
It's
engage now. Wait. West side shallow. 5,
Defend
4, 3, 2, 1. West side shallow. Come back fast. Heal up. Yo, they're gonna look here. Peel. Careful. Get out of choke. Asking, be careful. You're gonna get fucked there.
Go, kinidnap po.
Okay.
Kinikidnap ka pa rin?
Guardian.
Yeah, FCJ. Heal up front line. Yo, listen. Second party on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second party on me only. Wait, come back southeast. Ready defenses here. Come back southeast. He's gonna look. Fake. Next one's real. He's gonna pull engage on my tanks.
Careful.
Asking careful. Malika, get ready. West side. Wait. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side on me. Ready defend. They're walking. They're gonna walk in. Careful. CC. Come back southeast out. Come back southeast inside fast. Inside fast. Cleanse and guard runes on the choke. Come back southeast fast. Defend shallow. Heal up shallow. Nice one. Come back southeast. Tanks. You're getting too cocky again.
change harapon, guys.
Yeah, my spirit hunter can change harpoon na. So we can keep pulling them.
Wait.
Careful.
Change the speed.
Careful, they're looking shallow. They're looking shallow.
NB.
Defend shallow. Heal up.
Yeah,
Oh my god, you almost dead, man.
Hindi, JB.
Wait. Come back.
Camping tanks.
Ready air potion. Ready full
Yeah.
defend. Okay, they're looking
Yeah.
shallow. Malika, ready? Pop your potion. Heal up, pass. Wait. West side shallow. Get ready. Give me fix.
Heal.
Inside. Look at the tank inside. 5, 4, 3,
We have
2,
engagement.
1. Tank inside. Nice. Come back southeast. Hold them. Come back. Tanks, help front line.
Spread.
Help front line. Spread southeast. They're gonna step up, okay? They're gonna step up soon. Tokod looking.
They're looking east side,
Careful, they're looking on Chrono.
NB.
Heal up chrono, west side. Heal up my west side.
Fuck.
Mugi, you didn't full up.
Silence ang chariot sa ano.
Oh,
Nando
careful,
dancing.
careful. Yo, somebody
Nando
cancel that chariot.
They now have
I mean,
engaged.
cancel that. Careful, they're gonna look. Okay, they're gonna look. Careful. Heal chrono. Can one healer stay with chrono? Chrono, huwag kang mag-step up. Wala kang boots.
Don't
Sinasabi sa'yo.
step.
True.
Hold that.
Yo, careful.
Looking,
Stop
looking,
being too
looking.
close. Let them engage past the choke, guys. Let them engage past the choke. Inside. Let them
Come.
engage inside the castle, not outside. They're looking.
Coming.
Defense shallow. Fake. Ready defenses. Come southeast side.
Kidnap this.
Kidnap it. Oh,
Careful. Wait. Oh, wow. Come back. You guys, careful on the north side. Why you guys keep staying on the north side? Careful. Only tanks. There's only 1 or 2 tanks. They can engage shallow.
Oh my god,
Oh, no.
CJ.
CJ.
Ready defend. He's looking. Oh, he's looking.
Yagami is looking.
Yagami looking. He's gonna hodge, okay? He's gonna hodge on the choke. Defend now. Marika, west side on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke. Choke. Kill this guys inside. Oh, come back. Yeah, actually, okay, Kim. I know what to do.
Silence their backline.
Listen. Can I? Yeah, exactly. Listen. Every time they engage like that on the choke, right? They clump up on the choke. Can I have like a heavy mace setting up behind? Defend shallow. Can I get like heavy maces like behind, right? Kidnap Yagami. CC Yagami if you can. On Yagami, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On Yagami now. Come back. He's gonna engage on the choke. Careful. Why so many outside? Come back inside. Careful inside. Careful my tanks outside. Too many up close. He's gonna engage on the choke. Careful. Asking, he's gonna engage on you. Heal up Asking.
Wanna go too far.
They engage on me. 20 seconds.
Yo, get ready to CC frontline. Malika, get ready, shallow. 5,
No
4,
position.
3, 2, 1, shallow on me. Come back fast. He's gonna turn here. Ready full defend, okay? Careful. Come back fast. Ready defenses. Look, tanks careful. Defend inside. Heal up. They still have engage. Wait. They missed like some DPS, but they still have DPS. So they still have DPS to engage. Careful. Heal up. Spread, boys.
Trade mo, Asking.
Careful.
Patay.
Careful.
Box.
Milkbox, careful.
Wait, dito ka, sa loob. Pasok ka.
Miss.
They're looking. Ready to silence their backline. They're looking. Defense shallow.
Gauge. Oh my god.
Heal up Olpa. Spread.
Yagami looking.
Careful. They're looking. Ready your potion. Potion now. West side shallow. Inside. Get ready. Wait. Tanks to CC them. Wait. Inside. 5. Tanks inside. 4, 3, 2, 1. Tanks inside. Come back southeast. Tanks peel. Careful on the choke. Give me a cleanses on the choke. Get out of the choke. He's looking. Tokoto looking. Ready. Full defend on the choke now. Heal up fast on the choke. Guys, can you guys cleanse the choke so that we can get out of the choke fast, man? Can you guys get out of the choke fast? I tell you already, they're gonna engage fucking up the choke, right? Spread. Just wait.
Looking.
Trigger fast. Yo, careful, you're gonna get kidnapped.
Oh my god.
Bye,
don't
my
you-
friend. Oh wow, with the potion. Goddamn. Chill out with your potions, guys.
12 minutes OC.
Yo, listen, just spread southeast side. Let them engage inside. Double OC. Careful, they're looking. Tokontol looking. Careful.
Fake.
Kidnap this. Nice.
Yo, on BT bread. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside, 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 inside. Kill this tank inside, kill this tank inside.
Inside,
This tank
behind.
inside. Okay, nice.
Nice.
Come back southeast. Careful, they're gonna turn, okay? Careful. They're gonna turn. Hold them, hold them, hold them, hold them.
Bin.
Yo, silent, silent. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Careful, careful. They're stepping up. They're stepping up. Defense shallow. Alika, get ready. On the crown only, on the crown only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown only, crown only, crown only, crown only, crown only. Come back fast, come back fast, come back fast. Peel. Get out of choke. CC, careful. They're stepping up, careful. Get out of choke, Come back southeast. Get out of choke, come back southeast. Get out of choke, come back southeast. Heal up. Help my front line. Careful,
Heal up
defense
me.
shallow. Heal up front line. Heal up crack back. Heal up crack back fast. Kidnap the tanks. Come back. I wanna kidnap the tanks. Wait, just hold.
13, double OC na.
Yeah, double OC already. Careful, they're gonna step up, okay? They're gonna step up soon. Defense shallow west side. Heal up.
Oh.
Okay. Shallow on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the crown. Come back. Hindi ko na-pull yun. The fuck? Come back.
Tangs.
Be careful.
Yeah, listen, be careful. They're
Okay,
looking. Yagami's gonna pull. Be careful, okay? Careful. Ready. Defense shallow. Heal up. Marika, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side on me. Nice one. Yo, walk.
They're running.
Walk. No, they're not running. Walk and spread. Listen. They're gonna counter the choke. Walk and spread. Walk.
Color that.
Catch them all.
Running.
Yo, Panday best, no?
Yo.
Trash talk. Hello? Why you trash talking?
Ito tayo ano nila oh, yung looter
Sa
nila.
trees, sa trees.
Nakamus.
Yeah, just kill them all.
On ping, yung looter nila. Ito.
Healer, bro.
Touch the DPS.
Kill the DPS.
Ay, yung Neko?
Why you guys
Ako
even
yun,
trash
ako.
talking? Why you trash talking allies
Ay,
even?
tank. Kill the tank.
Ayan, ini ako. Looter tayo.
Nako sensei. Here. Looter.
Wala nang
Build
masyado.
hub, north side.
Nice.
Kill the
Ayun,
DPS.
Heaven Knight. Huwag niyo paano si Tronky. Pinapatay na Heaven Knight.
Pang na full HP siya.
Everybody
Yeah,
did
we
come.
need-
Tulungan niyo si Tronky.
We need DPS here.
Ayun.
You guys good? Can we go back castle
Grabe.
after?
Hindi siya mamatay.
Yeah, nice
DPS.
one. Okay, at least
Aslan,
now,
round two,
at least my tanks are not.
Oh,
At least my tanks are not. Yo, careful. Heal up front line. Heal up front line.
Regroup, Pompey.
Heal up Kirsho in front line. Malika on the choke, get ready. Heal up on the choke, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow choke. Ay, come back southwest. Everyone regroup on me, Malika.
Go back.
Regroup on choke. Hold you outside. Hold on me. Okay, hold on me. Careful.
Asking, deep ka masyado. Asking.
They're rapping north.
Yeah.
Okay,
rapping north.
comes out. Yo,
Oh, shit.
Nag-engage kayo asking.
Nag-engage sa akin.
wait, where are you? Ryan, kasi ba't anong ginagawa mo, bro?
Up front.
May nahabol
Really
kami.
good.
Scouting.
Bro, we're already fighting, diba?
Yeah.
Come inside castle.
Set BM. Touch the chest if you're
Yeah,
late.
touch the chest if you're late. Listen, they're gonna come back. Get ready. Double OC already.
Yo,
Bolo si guys.
Rigger. They're gonna come back. They're resetting.
Where's the battle mount? Trade. Battle mount.
Only ball healer in PTB.
Sa labas ako. Nasa labas ako.
Yo, can you guys join PTB, the healers, tank supports? Tanks, can you guys join PTB? Yeah, go buy food and then if you don't have, but